Good morning, everyone. I am Dr. and Mrs. V.T. Gandhimedi, Assistant Professor and Head Department of Commerce. Welcome. Now I am going to tell about the bookkeeping. Bookkeeping is the art of recording business transaction in a systematic manner. Bookkeeping is the science and art correctly recording the books of accounts, all those business transactions that result in the transfer of money or money's worth. Objectives of the bookkeeping: to have a permanent record of all the business transactions, to show the effect of all transactions upon the financial position of the trader, to keep records of income and expenses in such a way that the net profit or net loss may be calculated, to keep the records of assets and liabilities in such a way that the financial position of the business may be ascertained, to keep control on expenses, to know the names of the customers, suppliers, and the amount due to them and due from them, to have important for information for legal and tax purposes. For these objectives, the bookkeeping is made. Then, now we have to see the definition of accounting. It is the art of recording, classifying, and summarizing in a significant manner and in terms of money, transaction, and events which are in part at least of financial character and interpreting the result thereof. Methods of accounting. There are two types of methods of accounting: single entry system and double entry system. Single entry system, there is only one aspect of the system, entry is made. So the defects of single entry system is it is not possible to prepare trial balance. So if we are not preparing the trial balance, the arithmetical accuracy cannot be tested, and profit and loss account and balance sheet cannot be prepared. It cannot supply the full information about the business. So the comparison is not possible, and the frauds and errors cannot be checked. It is very difficult to check the frauds and errors in accounting system. Then next one, now we have to see about the classification of accounts. In classification of accounts, there are two types of accounts. One personal account, another one is impersonal account. Personal accounts, it is related to the persons. Example, Ram, Rahim, the individual person, and the company which is registered, and the partnership firm. These are also treated as the persons. Then in impersonal account, this is the real account and nominal account. Real account is related to the assets, and nominal account is related to the expenses and gains or incomes. So the rules of the accounting, the golden rules, this is the base for the accounting. Everyone who is studying the accountancy first, they should know the rules. These are called as golden rules of accounting. Personal account rule: debit the receiver, credit the giver. The person who receives the amount from the business, we have to debit them and credit the giver. Then with regard to the real account, debit what comes in, credit what goes out. Debit what comes in. If we purchase the asset is comes in and the cash is goes out. So debit what comes in, credit what goes out. We have to write the journal entry as assets account data to cash account. Both the cash and assets are related to the real account. The nominal account, debit all the expenses and losses, credit the incomes and gains. While doing the problem, the three types of accountings are mingled. In one transaction, there is a personal account or real account or nominal account, or real account, personal account. Thank you.